Hello everyone, my name is Reza. Today in the Cooper Roastery I want to introduce our new coffee, Kenya Kiruga AB, SL28 and SL34, the varietal inside this amazing coffee. The process of this Kenyan coffee, it's washed. The cupping notes of this coffee, malic acid, umami-like, hints of black currant and caramelized. Today I want to make a great V60 with this coffee, and I choose 18 grams of coffee and 218 ml of water. Let's make a great V60. First of all, I wash my filter with hot water because I want to get rid of the smell of paper filter. For the beginning, I add 40 ml of water for blooming. And keep 30 seconds to bloom. After that, in 2 times I add water to reach 280 ml of water. This is the second part. I add my water on my V60. Right now the extraction finish after 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and our coffee is ready to serve. Super nice. I wish as soon as possible you will try this coffee, amazing Kenyan coffee. And this coffee, it's available on filter roast and espresso roast. You can make this coffee on, filter base like V60, Chemex, AeroPress, French press, and also you can use it in terms of espresso machine, home espresso machine, and industrial espresso machine. Thank you so much for your time to watch this video. I wish you like it, and don't forget to try our new Kenyan coffee. Thanks.